Hi there. Today I wanted to show you something really cool that we recently realized. HubSpot has recently introduced a new feature which allows you to embed external content on HubSpot dashboards. And what's a cooler thing to add than a Dear Lucy dashboard? So this really means that you can now use Dear Lucy inside HubSpot without actually needing to log into anywhere else. So let me show you how it's done. So I'm now here in HubSpot test environment. And I'm in one dashboard. This now happens to be empty. And here on the top right, you see the actions. And if I click on here, it says embed external content. So now I can go in and click here. And then I can add a title for my Dear Lucy. So Dear Lucy is typically used by the top management, sales leadership, and teams across the company. So let's call this one Top Management. And then I can add the URL to the Dear Lucy dashboard. And in Dear Lucy, you have this feature called Kiosk Link, which nowadays allows you to embed Dear Lucy dashboards onto different workplaces and workspaces that your team is using. So I've already copied that, so I'm going to go and paste that in. And it even gives me, I guess, a little preview here down below. And then I can just click Create. And there it appears. All I have to do now is to then drag out the window so that all of my metrics show up. So depending on how many metrics you have on the dashboard, you can drag out the window to make it fit. So basically the best thing about this now is that you can use this just as you would any other Dear Lucy dashboard. So here we have pipeline development, for instance, for this year. So you can go in, sort the tables just as you want on a browser, and even view the bigger charts as well. So for instance, here I'm looking at the pipeline development by month. So you can use that just as you would the regular Dear Lucy dashboard. Here I can see the MRR by month, and the same goes for here. I can also go in and see how much we've lost, what our new MRR has been this month, and also view the bigger chart, and also see the goals that we've set for our MRR. And the red and green lights, they indicate whether we are on our target or still below, chasing a particular number. And also the filters that we have here, for instance, sales by lead source or sales by deal type, or if you have sales by sales rep, you can also use those and use Dear Lucy just as you would in a browser. And you can also use several dashboards here. So if you have, for instance, the sales reps ones in place where you actually track the key metrics by individual sales reps, you can also use those here. So that's it. Hope you like it and give it a go. Bye now.